In a bustling computer repair store, a young man dedicated himself to his work. He was fortunate to have an old technician as his mentor, guiding him through the intricacies of the trade. The old technician imparted invaluable lessons, teaching the young man the importance of hard work, continuous skill development, and staying focused on all aspects of the factory's operations. After 10 years of diligent apprenticeship, the old technician retired, passing the torch to the young man who became a skilled technician himself. He embraced his new role with unwavering dedication, applying the teachings he had received. However, despite his exceptional work and growing expertise, he couldn't comprehend why less experienced colleagues were being promoted while he remained in the same position he had held during his apprenticeship. Puzzled by the situation, the young man sought solace in his mentor's wisdom. He confided in the old technician, expressing his frustrations and confusion. The mentor listened attentively, observing the young man's distress. After careful consideration, the old technician proposed a solution. "You must take a day off," the mentor advised, urging the young man to use any reason he saw fit. "Grant yourself a break, my dear apprentice." Startled by the suggestion, the young man contemplated its meaning. Though initially skeptical, he recognized the wisdom in his mentor's words. Grateful for the guidance, he thanked the old technician and swiftly requested a day off from work. Upon returning to the repair store after his much-needed break, the young man was summoned to the manager's office. To his surprise, the manager informed him of the challenges that had arisen during his absence. His colleagues had faced complex problems they couldn't solve without his expertise. Recognizing the young man's indispensability, the manager decided to promote him to the position of senior technician, expressing gratitude for his invaluable contributions and encouraging him to continue his outstanding work. Filled with gratitude for his mentor's teachings, the young man believed he had found the secret to success. From that day forward, whenever he felt undervalued or overlooked, he would take a purposeful break. To his amazement, upon his return he would find the situation improved to his satisfaction. This pattern continued for several months, reinforcing his belief in the power of stepping back. However, life is full of unexpected turns. One day, as the young man arrived at the computer repair store, he was met with a shocking sight. The doors were locked, and he discovered that his employment had been terminated. Confusion and disappointment washed over him, leaving him at a loss for what had transpired. Seeking answers, he sought out his mentor, hoping to understand the circumstances that led to his downfall. With wounded pride, he questioned the old technician, wondering if he had made a mistake by following the teachings faithfully. The mentor shook his head gently with compassion in his eyes. "You learned well, my dear apprentice, but there is more to the lesson," he explained. "While it is true that a consistently shining light bulb can go unnoticed, it is equally important to maintain a balance between presence and absence." The old technician emphasized the significance of being noticed and appreciated for one's contributions without being taken for granted. He highlighted the importance of consistent dedication and hard work, even in the face of setbacks. The young man realized that he had grasped only half of the lesson, neglecting the crucial second part. As the realization dawned upon him, the young man contemplated his own life. He recognized the people he might have taken for granted, assuming they would always be there. The mentor urged him not to wait for the day when they might no longer be present to realize their significance. He encouraged the young man to express gratitude for their presence today and to find the balance between being taken for granted and ensuring his own worth is recognized. Moved by his mentor's words, the young man embraced the lesson wholeheartedly. He understood that finding balance in all aspects of life was the key to fulfillment and success. With newfound determination, he set forth on a new path, armed with gratitude, dedication, and the wisdom passed down by his mentor. And so, the young man embarked on a journey, motivated to live a balanced and fulfilling life, both personally and professionally. He carried the lessons of the computer repair store and the guidance of his mentor, embracing the delicate dance between presence and absence, gratitude and recognition, and hard work and appreciation. In doing so, he discovered the true rewards that life had to offer. The young man's journey teaches us the importance of finding balance in our lives and recognizing the value of the people around us. It reminds us to express gratitude for their presence and not take them for granted. This inspirational story imparts words of wisdom that can guide us on our own paths to success and fulfillment.